In this video I will show you how to change your gender in Pokémon Unite. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Unfortunately, there is no way to change your gender once you have created your character and start paying. If you wish to make your character look more like the opposite gender, you can change your hair and outfit. To do it, just go to your profile. Click Closet. Select this makeover button. Then select this scissor icon. Select a hairstyle of the opposite gender. You can also make some adjustments like eyes colors and more. Now go back and select the outfit that you like. After that, go back and click this trainer info. Click Edit. Tap on this button to reflect your new character appearance. Now you have successfully changed your appearance to opposite gender without changing the gender. If you don't like this process, you can create a new account and choose the gender. But you will lose all your game progress. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.